Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Debugger. Today I will show you how to install Java 21, the new version of Java. This is a long-term support version. This version will receive free updates until September 2028 or at least until 2030 for Amazon Corretto. So if you want to install Java 21, you can download it from either Oracle or OpenJDK. I'll provide the links in the video description. This version comes with some interesting features, and there are others that I don't particularly like. To begin, search for Oracle Java 21 on Google. Or on the Oracle site, click on the Windows tab. Next, click on the link for 64 installer in the middle. After the download is complete, click on the file to start the installation. Let's click on Next. Next. The JDK will now be installed. Once you receive the message "Successfully installed," everything is already configured. Now let's press the Windows key and R simultaneously. Type Java-version. You should see that Java is ready to use. Now let's explore another JDK option. Return to Google and search for OpenJDK Java 21. Click on the first link that appears. In the upper left corner, click on the JDK GA link. Next, click on JDK 21. You will find a list of files available for download. For Windows, you will have a zip file to download. Click on the link to begin the download. Once the download is complete, open the Downloads directory. Right-click on the downloaded zip file and choose the Extract All option. After the file extraction is finished, open the directory and copy the JDK 21 folder. Navigate to your local disk, usually C, and create a new directory or folder called OpenJDK on the root directory. Paste the JDK directory inside the OpenJDK folder. Enter the OpenJDK folder and copy the full path of the folder. Now open the control panel and go to System. Click on Advanced System Properties. In the System Properties window, click the Environment Variables button. Click on New to create a new environment variable. Type Java_home for the name of the variable. Paste the copied path into the value field. Now search for the path variable in the list and click on Edit. Add a new variable by clicking on New. Type %Java_home\bin as the value for this new variable. Click OK in the Environment Variables window. Click OK again in the System Properties window. Press the Windows key plus R again and type cmd. In the command prompt, type Java-version. I still see the Oracle JDK. I need to check the environment variables again. Ensure that Java_home is correctly set. Check the path variable. You may need to remove the first variable that references the Oracle JDK. Click OK, OK, and then check Java-version again. That's it. You should now be using OpenJDK. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Until the next video.